Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat messages not showing. For example, if you open Snapchat and you see that new messages are not showing on your Snapchat on iPhone iOS 18. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. So here what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings and you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to open the app store here and you have to search for the Snapchat app, and if you see any kind of update is showing, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to go to general, and after that you have to click on iPhone storage. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Snapchat here, and here you have to simply click on offload app. And after clicking on offload app, you have to simply click on reinstall the app. After you see the app is showing a reinstall option, so after reinstalling the option you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to open the Snapchat again, and here you have to click on settings. And after that what you have to do, you have to make sure that your account is working well, and here you have to simply click on help center, and you have to simply open the Snapchat support, and you have to report this problem to Snapchat support team. And after that you will get an email from the Snapchat support team, and they will solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.